Hello, children. Welcome back to the new lesson in 7th standard. Today, I am going to explain your new lesson weather, climate, adaptations of animals to climate. So, before going to the lesson, just we will have a talk about the general information. That means when your parents are thinking about a picnic or a tour, they will consider about the weather or climate, that particular place where whether it is a hill station or a seashore or a hilly places, etc. What is the weather condition or what is the climate of that particular area, they will see. If it is rainy season, they will always ask to take the umbrella, isn't it? When you are going to school, suddenly the cloudy sky is there, what you will parent will say, your mother, oh, don't forget to take your raincoat, isn't it, or umbrella. That means from the atmosphere we can understand whether it is a cloudy day or humid day or a hot day. So with that we can change our plan. Any function in your home or in your relatives home, if they are going to arrange some marriage function or any other get together, first they will think about the weather. That means whether it is a hot sunny day or it is a rainy day or winter, like that. According to that, which is the suitable one, they will select for doing that function, isn't it? Generally, we will avoid rainy season, the marriage function and all, because it is very difficult for the people to come and gather it. If it is winter season, we will try to complete the function before late night because it is very cold. And evening time it will be suitable during the summer season. So the daytime it is very hot, so they will prefer the parties and all, the reception etc. in the night time. So according to that the function will be arranging. Why it is like that? Do you know? The reason is the weather of different places or the weather of a particular place is different for different days. It may be changing from day to day or from week to week. So today you are going to study something more about this lesson. Here you will study what is weather and what is climate, and we will also see how different forms of life are adapted to the climate of their habitat. Those people living in the hot area or the tropical areas, they cannot withstand in the uh, cold countries or very uh, cold places. And if the people living in the very hot places, they are adapted to live, people or the animals, those who are living in the hot areas, or they will be adapted to stay in that particular situations. Same way, those living in the very cold climate, their body is adapted to live in such climate. So that you will study detail in the coming videos. So first we are going to discuss about weather. So first we will see that daily when you are watching the news, after the end of the news you can see today's weather forecast, like that one, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, you can see of the different cities, it is clearly given, and you observe for 1 week. Otherwise you take the paper cutting from 1 week, you can see maximum temperature of different places is different and minimum temperature of different places are different for 1 week itself. So we will find that the daily weather report carries the information about the temperature. So today what is the weather? Whether it is very hot or sunny or it is humid or cold, etc. So we will find the daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity and rainfall during the past 24 hours. So within 24 hours, what changes are there in the atmosphere, that will give a weather report. It also predicts the weather for the day. The weather forecast within 1 day or 2 days before the in TV or radio or in newspaper, you can see that next 48 hours heavy rainfall may happen, or there will be lightning and thunderstorm is there, or the next days it is very hot, the temperature is high, more than 35 degrees Celsius, like that the weather forecast will be giving 24 hours or 48 hours. And sometimes a heavy cyclone, heavy wind will be blowing, coming, 48 hours alert will be giving to the fishermen and those who are living in the coastal areas, etc. So this can be done because of the weather report getting in advance. Humidity, as you might know, is the measure of moisture in the air. Humidity means how much content of water vapor present in the atmosphere, that is called the humidity. If more vapor will be accumulating, more clouds will be there and more humidity will be there. And if less water is converting into water vapor, less humidity will be there. Now you can see on the screen also, there will be the weather reports are prepared by the meteorological department of the government. Who will be in charge of this weather report preparing? That group is known as meteorological department of the government. This department collects data of temperature, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. So they will collect all the data and they will coordinate together and they will say today's weather forecast is such and such, like that. Now there is one activity is there, just I will explain. Cut out the weather report of the past week from any newspaper. Just now I told you can collect as from the TV or the newspapers, you can collect the information. 1 week weather forecast, weather reports of last 1 week, you collect, and what you have to do, and you cut it properly and you can paste that cutouts on a white sheet or on a chart paper. So you will get what will be Mondays, what will be the Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, like that. So different days, different temperature you can see, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. Some days rainfall during the rainy season. For the at present there will be raining also there. So some days rainy days, some days less rain will be there. So this way we will get the a particular information about 1 week of one particular place. Suppose you are living in Surat, so you can see the Surat. And if you want to take Ahmedabad, that edition, you can see that Ahmedabad, what will be the 1 week. Or if you want to see Mumbai, you can see the Mumbai, what will be the weather report of 1 week, etc. And try to compare it with different places. So you will come to know that they are different from each other. So one column is given. So this you can do as an activity. See students, look at on the screen now. There will be the weather data of a week. I told just now you can paste in your chart paper or a notebook, or like this column you can prepare and take the particular date 1 week. So here one example given 2006. So you can take the present one also. This month or last month, 1 week full you can take it. So maximum temperature of Surat itself you can take on one particular date to 7 days. Then minimum temperature. If rainy season at present, you will get more humidity and maximum humidity, minimum humidity. Rainfall is there, then you can say in that column you can fill. But all 12 months you will not get rainfall. So which months rainfall is happening, that time you can fill that column. So if you will take at present this July month or August month if you will take, you will get rainfall column also you can fill. So this is an activity, students. You are sitting at home newspaper reading, so try to make a chart of yourself and try to compare it, what changes or what difference you can see various days. Now rainfall is measured by an instrument called the rain gauge. So an instrument, rain gauge, is using to measure the uh, rainfall of one particular place. At present, when you will see the Gujarati news, every day you can see different area, Rajkot or Ahmedabad or Morbi, all these places, enough rainfall is there, more rainfall happens, this much inches water came, etc. So, how they will get an idea? Because of this particular instrument called rain gauge. It is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. So rain gauge is a particular measuring cylinder with a funnel on the top to collect rainwater. So there will be some reading will be there. According to that, the person who is getting the data, they can measure and they will uh, get the idea about how much rainfall happened that particular district or that particular city or area. Now, do all the 7 days have the same maximum and minimum temperatures? When you will collect the data, then only you can answer this. If you will take July last week, one full week data you collect and try to check maximum temperature of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, minimum temperature of that particular days in one particular area, then you can compare it whether they are same or not. They are not same. Humidity also different, rainfall also different. The maximum and minimum temperatures recorded may be the same for some of the days. So suppose Monday and Wednesday may be the same, Tuesday different will be there, or sometimes continuously same temperature you can see that, sometimes quite difference also you can see. Over a week there may be a considerable variation, so some days more, sometimes less, and sometimes much variation will not be there. If you will take an average one, then we will see that there will be considerable variation. However, all the parameters are not the same on any 2 days. If you will take maximum and minimum temperature, humidity and rainfall for 2 days, there will be slight variation. You can see that. So over a week, there may be a considerable variation. So now we are going to study what is meant by the definition for weather. So listen properly and try to understand. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather of that particular place. So what is weather? The day-to-day condition. So you can imagine yesterday's and today's. Just recollect your memory how yesterday's weather was there and today's. What change you can see that. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature. Some days very hot you are feeling, some days it is very sunny, and some days it is cloudy. Next one, some days it is more humidity and some days less humidity. And some days heavy rainfall occurs, some days there is no rainfall. And the speed of the wind, some days we will get enough wind and some days very less wind. So the speed of the wind is also different from day to day. So the day to day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather of that particular place. It may be varied from place to place. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, then the wind speed, etc. are called the elements of the weather. These are the elements or the factors of weather. When we will calculate the weather, we have to consider the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. of that particular place. The weather of a place changes day after day and week after week. So the weather, you are very clearly you can see that weather will be changing from day to day and sometimes week to week. That's why we often say today's weather is too humid and the weather was warm last week. So some days we will say it is too hot, very hot, sunny, and sometimes you will feel today very cool and pleasant, windy day, and some days it will be very humid, moisture is there. So it depends upon the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. So it varies from day to day or from week to week. Now, the weather is what is weather? How it will be calculating? The weather is such a complex phenomenon that it can vary over very short period of time. So weather can be morning weather and evening weather may be different. Sometimes it was very sunny and we put all the clothes outside. All of a sudden the sky become cloudy and rainfall starts. So then after 1 or 2 hours again it will become sunny. So we cannot predict that the whole day the same weather. So the weather is such a complex phenomenon that it can vary over very short periods of time. It can happen sometimes that it is the sunny in the morning, but suddenly clouds appear from nowhere and the it starts raining heavily. So it happens during the rainy season. This suddenly happens. We are not taking the umbrellas or raincoats, and if we will go outside, suddenly the sky will be dark, clouds, and wind started blowing, and heavy rainfall occurs. So it is unexpected or a heavy rain may vanish in a matter of minutes. Sometimes rain we are not expecting such a way it came and within minutes they will pour heavily and suddenly it stops also. You must have had several such experiences. Yes, everybody experiences this type of weather in your day-to-day life. Since weather is such a complex phenomenon, it is not easy to predict. That's why we are saying today morning it is very pleasant, cool and windy day and we thought that it will be very pleasant day and all of a sudden after 8 o'clock it become very hot, sunny. So we can't expect that and suddenly afternoon it the sky become cloudy and by 4 o'clock the heavy rainfall occurs with the thunder or lightning. So how can we say today is sunny day or today is a rainy day? We can't say that. So the same day weather may be different for different time. So that is why we are saying weather is a complex phenomenon. We cannot predict it very clearly. So, students, I hope you had understood the part which I had explained, and today I had given the activity. You take the newspapers and try to cut the 1 week of either June month or July month, which will be easily available. 1 full week, continuous days you collect and try to fill the column either in a chart paper or in your notebook somewhere as an activity and try to understand what changes are there in the maximum temperature, minimum temperature, humidity of that particular place. If you are taking Surat, it is well and good, or if you want to take another place, that particular place. But continuously 1 week you have to take. I hope you followed now. And what notes given of previous lesson the teacher had already uploaded in the global board. Please write with the index and write all the notes in your notebook and learn also. At the same time, what videos we are sending every day, listen carefully 2 or 3 times. So you, instead of reading, you can understand all the main points the teachers are explaining again and again. So it will be easy for you to recollect your answers or your points. We will meet again. Take care. Study well. Thank you.